ShutterStock's blocking individual contributors and groups. Luminar Ai finally launches. Wirestock now does video. The 2020 bestsellers, stock keyword trends, shot list, and other requested shots and videos. Welcome back to the 7th episode of Hot Shoe News. I'm your host, Dustin Hall, and this is some of stock photo and video news from around the web. Luminar Ai has finally launched. It's about time. I purchased this early, like way early, and thought it was just never going to happen, that they'd messed it up. But it's here now. I've got to use the program a few times. No, they're not sponsoring this, but I have to say, overall, I'm impressed. It's very intuitive, easy to understand, even if you're not big into editing, and the results have been good. I bring this up as stock news as I feel it has the ability to change your stock workflow, because it's intuitive, easy, fast, and also, it's a set price versus a monthly subscription, so I think it is worth considering. I'm even thinking about stopping my own Lightroom subscription. In other news, BlackBox has had all of its videos taken down from ShutterStock. Ouch! I've seen estimates that this could be somewhere close to 1 million videos. From the notice that BlackBox sent out to its users, it's because of a copyright claim. For one, I'm not shocked. Overall, I've reported multiple times that BlackBox has been sending more messages about only submitting your own content. So let's take a moment, thank all of those unscrupulous contributors out there, and costing us big sales in the month of December, so Merry Christmas to you. However, I guess the lesson here is always to be careful of how and where you submit your content. BlackBox might make it very easy for you, but at the same time, if they get in trouble, it hurts you. ShutterStock didn't only give BlackBox a black eye this holiday season. They're also now going after smaller creators. They recently went after the Teaching Doc. And if you don't know who the Teaching Doc is, he's a YouTuber like myself who likes to talk about stock photography. So I would encourage you to click the link in the description after you watch this video and go check out his content. So they went after him because he posted his monthly earnings at ShutterStock. Apparently disclosing your earnings is a big no-no, and they restricted him from uploading new content to ShutterStock until he took down the YouTube videos. Maybe they were just worried that his viewers would not be happy about 10-cent sales. I know I'm not happy about it. And they thought that that might help their share price, because that's really what matters to them. But overall, I'm not surprised from a company who does not care about you as a small creator and if you can earn a living wage or not. Moving on, Wirestock has added video to their distribution options. Their beta video will allow you to upload 100 videos a week, and you can increase that amount if your acceptance rate of submission is over 70%. They will be posting the videos to ShutterStock, Adobe, Pond5, and Deposit Photos. While I love the concept of Wirestock, I did a whole video about them. I would just caution you about knowing what you're getting into, because like BlackBox, Wirestock could find themselves in the same spot, and it just would sadden me to know that you missed out on sales and your hard work wasn't out there, and that you were going to have to possibly take that down from one site to put it up somewhere else. So before we get into what's trending, keywords, what was popular for 2020, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Would really appreciate it. Thank you. So let's take a look at some of the popular tags from Dreams Time. Autism, bloggers, casino, folder, which I thought was interesting. Also, photography, Polaroid views for some travel feels, and upload, which that one was a surprise, but at the same time, with e-learning, work from home, upload is something we're doing every day. Wirestock, on the other hand, says that they are requesting this month from creators to shoot the latest tech. We're talking smart technology, smart homes, voice-activated personal assistants, you name it. People using facial recognition, cybersecurity, again, going back to anything e-learning, which overall, I think technology has been a big part of the year for all of us in 2020 with the COVID, of being able to communicate and keep some semblance of daily life. So until we all get that shot in the arm, that trend will probably continue. Their second big thing that they're asking for is plant-based food. Things like colorful, healthy foods. They're looking for lay flats, bowls, poke bowls. They also claimed beautifully plated avocado toast with delicious looking toppings. I find this one a bit interesting, as I've done this a few times. Love avocado toast, but I've had 0 sales. So I'm sure it's not them, it's me, but whatever. They're also looking for groups of people having fun while enjoying delicious food. Probably can shoot that with the holidays upon us. Another big topic, they're looking for sports, spring sports in particular. Europe, American football, parties dealing with sports. So if your friends are coming to watch college championships, finals, whatever it might be, they're looking for those. Good way, depending on how comfortable you are. You could do a photo shoot with people around the TV with some good-looking food, mask on, mask off, to hit multiple topics at the same time. But I do encourage you to use caution there, as we still are dealing with COVID, and I can't be responsible if you get sick. Or the other thought is maybe go back and hit some of your old hard drives to see what's available from spring baseball and other sports as well. The thing that they wanted to note, and this is a great one, is to please ensure that no recognizable logos or trademarks are visible, or individual arenas or players. I covered why you can't do that in my editorial versus commercial, but there's some hard rules there. The last big topic that they're looking for would be cities around the world. They're looking for current images, footage of famous skylines, Dubai, New York, Chicago, Philadelphia, Atlanta, you name it, especially aerials and inspiring views from above these major cities. If you can, people visiting or enjoying, and a lot of energy. This, again, I think is a very interesting ask from Wirestock. I've not had luck with skylines. I feel it's a very saturated market overall. If you've had luck, let me know down in the comments about it. My biggest success has been more of the drone aerial footage when I first got into stock. From there, drone laws have dramatically changed because of safety, do not fly zones. Check out your local area. I'm not going to come bail you out of jail or pay your fine, so just be smart about it. But they're definitely looking for that kind of media. And with skylines, also review known image restrictions before submitting. No one likes to do hard work to get told, nope. But definitely some opportunity there for you. Real quick, ShutterStock, the shot list, does have some good information, even if we don't like ShutterStock in January. They're looking for Black History Month, establishing shots, digital collages, and health-conscious changes. And so to close out the year, let's take a look at a collection of 2020 best-selling photos and illustrations from Dreams Time. As we look at all of these, I feel most of them are not a surprise whatsoever. They deal with the pandemic, health, technology, and the planet. Sure, there's some outliers in there, but I would like to point out they are all nicely curated, nicely edited, and not just the run and gun style. Some time went into these and it shows. All right, that does it for another episode of Hot Shoot News. This channel would not be possible without all of you amazing viewers. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And if you really want to show me some holiday love or just love overall, there's a link in the description to buy me a coffee, or better yet, tell me to use it for a beer. Thank you and have a great day. I look forward to sharing great news, tips, and tricks with you in 2021.